Heidi ho, welcome to Your Finger My Ring. I turn coins into rings, and today I'm going to be telling. I got these today in the post from this Finnish guy. I bought a lot of coins from him. This is a 10 markka coin. These used to be paper 10 markka notes, but they decided they was wearing out too quick, and they made a coin instead. This is 1995. You've got the swan there, that's the national bird of Finland. Well, I think we're going to have to go with the sunny side up. This is going to be the sunny side up, face of the ring. Got EU, Finland, saw me, date. You get a little bit of the wings on it. But this is similar to the €2 coins and stuff like that. This brass bit has got to come out because you can't make it with that and the steel bit. So I'll use a 1/2 inch punch to punch the first hole. This is self-centering dome. This centers the coin dead center over the punch hole. You probably hear the fan in the background. It's cloudy, but God, it's still warm. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha, my lady, my big lady. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press that leaks oil. Similar to my Citroen C3, that leaks oil. And the electrics don't work. And it's going to cost me 500 quid worth of welding. So I'm never going to own a Citroen again. Absolute crap. Right. Who's a naughty boy? There you go. If you recently subscribed, thank you so much. Love you to bits. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, subscribe. There's a little button down there somewhere, about there. Press that, you're automatically subscribed. Right, 1 punch coin. But this brass center has got to come out. It's a shame. It would make a good ring. You know, the two contrasting metals. But so this is sunny side up. This is a 17-degree folding die. Let's go over to Big Red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. This is a 17-degree folding cone. Now that brass bit should just pop out. And I'll just fully fold it. That's fully folded. So Friday's here again. It's party night. There you go. That's fully folded. So now I want to get Sandy the sandpaper out and clean up this edge. I done a small video yesterday about the tools I use. Some guy was asking me about the Swedish wrap tools I didn't show. Well, I was just showing what tools you need to start. You don't need the Swedish wraps, but at the end of this video I'll get them out and show you. There you go. Pretty good, pretty good. Right, let's get out the fire starter. Bernie the fire starter. I'll show it some love. This is called annealing. This just softens up the metal so you can work it a bit easier. This is going to be quite a big ring. You can check out my web shop, yourfingermyring.com, and all the rings in there are sized in EU sizes, but I can adjust them. So if you want a particular ring that's in the shop, tell me your ring size and I can adjust it up or down for you. I can make them smaller or bigger. Right, let's go over to my favourite tool, Spike, the ring stretcher. I won't say it. I've said it a few times lately. I do like saying it though, but I won't say it this time. Right. You put the kitchen roll on there so it protects the inside detail of the coin. Seems a shame to there you go. It's looking pretty good. Now we're going to use Christy burr. It's a burring tool. We just want to get out that inside lip. That's the reeded side. Well, this is milled, but the same thing. It's the thickest part of the coin. If you don't cut this out, it can become uncomfortable to wear. This also enlarges the coin a little bit because you're cutting out metal from the inside. This sounds like an old bike I used to ride when I was in my teens. That was clapped out as well. I'm still deciding on what car to get when I get rid of this bloody old Citroen. Look at Suzuki Swift, that's supposed to be pretty good. Mazda 2 is supposed to be good, really reliable. I just want something that's reliable, you know, get in and go. All this electronic shit, man, it just kills me. Back in the 70s I had a Granada. I mean, you know, easy. Rebuild it yourself. Right, there you go. That's now, there's no lip there at all. So let's give it a bit more burny. And show it a bit more love. I quite like these narrow banded rings as well. Okay, beautiful. Dry it off. Right, let's go over to, I think I'll start the 17°. Just trying to reduce it, straighten the walls up a bit. I did a bit, but not enough. No, that doesn't fit in there. No, not too bad. I could do it a bit more though, I think. Yeah. Let's give it a bit more love. bit of white. There you go. Also nice and straight. Do with a bit of a touch there. And a bit back. That's looking better. Okay. Let's clean it up. There's Kate. She's looking like she's had a good shower this morning. She's looking nice and refreshed. She's looking pretty gorgeous. Like I said, I hardly polish the outside of my rings. If you want them polished, I'll do it for you. I prefer the satin look. Yeah, it's going to be a nice ring. Right, let's get rid of Kate. See you tomorrow, Kate. Have a good evening. And this is Felton John. There's a new one in there, really. Okay. But I do like to polish the inside of my rings. Out of shot again. I'm always doing that when I do this bit. I don't know why. Okay, what have we got? One day a bird's going to come out of here. You know, like the magic acts. I don't know what sort of bird, but maybe some bird will come out of it one day. It's magic. It's a miracle. There you go. It's the inside. Very shiny. You've got the mark or marker. That's why I use the kitchen roll. Keeps all the detail. Got the EU 1995. Finland, bit of a wing. And Suomi, which is Finnish for Finland. What size we got? You always measure from the, well, this is milled, but it's the thickest part. Beaded side, milled side, always the thickest part of the ring. EU size, we've got a size 60, 67 and a half. UK size, we got Y. And US size, we've got a size 12. There you go, ladies and gents. 1 10 marker Finnish coin ring. It's a bit tight there. It's my little finger, but I can make them bigger or smaller. So, some guy wanted me to explain about my Swedish wraps. Here they are. There's 3 of them. You can get more. This is like a beginner set, and these are extrusion dies. Like these ones are 17-degree folding cones, made by Legacy brand. You can get all this stuff on Etsy. These are also Legacy brand. These are 17-degree. They are extrusion dies. It's a very shallower pitch, and once you've fully folded your coin, I mean, this is totally finished, but you can put it in and then there you go. As you squeeze it through, you have to put Teflon tape around it, otherwise it's so powerful. You come out with just a round tube. There's no text on it or anything. So you wrap it about 25 times with Teflon tape, and then you get, this is mainly for big coins, you know, the big coins, and you get a straight wall. It pushes this bit the same as that bit. But not very good explanation. It cost me about 200 quid. Go on YouTube, you'll find people a lot more clever than me talking about these. I haven't had much luck with them at the moment. I'm still sort of learning, but I'll get there. I will get there. You'll be the first to know. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great weekend. Be good. Tubby bye bye.